Hello beautifuls, it's Simple Beauty TV. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can remove unwanted hair with no pain, wax or shaving. And you can use it on any body parts you want to remove unwanted hair from. But make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any of awesome effective remedy. In a clean bowl, we need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Don't use baking powder, guys, because it will not work. It's not the same. Add 200 milliliters of hot water. After it foams up like this, mix them for a bit. Then take a cotton ball and apply it on any body parts you want to remove unwanted hair from. And leave it to dry completely. Then we're ready for the next step. Take 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add a pinch of turmeric to it. Then add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix them for a bit. Then mix them over a hot water. Keep mixing until it turns thick like this. Then take it out and apply it on the same area, in the direction of hair growth. Leave it to dry and rub it against the hair growth. Then wash it with water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any effective remedies coming up. And see you in my next video. Bye!